While President Aquino keeps quiet about who he will endorse for the 2016 presidential campaign, his silence is not easing the shake-up in the Liberal Party and the ruling coalition. Some are already speculating the LP's ruling coalition might just break up. But what can the president and other party leaders do to prevent this?
The president trying his best to keep the coalition intact.
According to Quezon City Representative Winston Castelo, the best way for the President and Secretary Rojas to keep the coalition whole is to get the support of House Speaker Sonny Belmonte.
Let me point out that the Speaker is not only the head of Congress, he is the leader also of the coalition, a coalition of different political parties.
LP members admit this is a big challenge to the entire coalition, which includes the Liberal Party, Nacionalista Party, the Nationalist People's Coalition, Laban ng Demokratikong Pilipino, Akbayan Citizens Action Party, and the National Unity Party.
Well, it happened before. It may happen again. Nakikita ko yung the differences, the divide. May adverse effect yun. May impact yun.
Speaker Sonny Belmonte has said several times that he admires Poe for being a steadfast leader and a fearless lawmaker, while President Aquino has repeatedly said Rojas should continue the ideologies of Tuwid na Daan. Castelo says other issues may be contributing to the division between coalition members.
The pet project of the Speaker, the charter change, was not put into vote because of the alleged non-support of LP members. Of course, it was also countered that some personalities dun po sa House really did not push for the BBL as espoused by Malacanang.
The cracks in the ruling coalition are being eagerly observed by the opposition party, the United Nationalist Alliance.
Hindi naman kami kasama doon sa usapan na yun. Labas kami doon.
And while the administration party struggles to keep its allies, UNA is fully united in their support for their presidential bet, Vice President Jejomar Binay. Fiona Nicolas, CNN Philippines.